Brigit and DailyPay both help people access money before their normal payday, but they approve access in completely different ways. By the end, you'll know how Brigit and DailyPay compare for approval speed, eligibility, and which option fits your situation better. The main difference is that Brigit is built as a personal finance app, while DailyPay is an employer-connected earned wage access service. Brigit works around your individual financial profile. You create an account, connect the required information, and the app determines what features are available based on your eligibility. DailyPay works through participating employers. That means your access usually depends on whether your company offers DailyPay and whether you meet the requirements set by the program. If you are asking which one approves faster, the answer depends on how you qualify. For Brigit, approval depends on your account setup and the information the app reviews. A person who already has everything connected may have a different experience than someone setting up the service for the first time. For DailyPay, the process depends on employer participation. If your workplace already provides DailyPay access, getting started may be more straightforward because the service is connected to your job. The better option comes down to what type of access you need. Choose Brigit if you want a personal financial app that you manage independently. The process is centered around your own account instead of an employer benefit. Choose DailyPay if your employer offers the service and you want access connected to your earned wages. The first step is checking whether your workplace participates. Before choosing either option, review the current terms, eligibility rules, and available features inside each service. Approval timing, available amounts, and costs can vary depending on your account details. The simplest comparison is this. Brigit is designed for individual users looking for personal money tools, while DailyPay is designed for employees whose workplaces provide earned wage access. Check your own situation first. If you already have employer access, compare DailyPay's available options. If you need a standalone app, review whether Brigit matches your needs. Subscribe for more straightforward comparisons of financial apps and money tools.